I'm making Thai curry, which is Ayurvedic Thai curry. In that we are going to steam the vegetables, and I bought the broccoli, just cut them in small florets, just normal small florets. And here I have baby corn, cut them in small pieces, bits again, just bite size pieces. And here I have the French beans, which I've again cut them in bite size pieces. All these three veggies I'm going to put them in the steamer and I'm going to boil them. So I have my water already ready and steaming. I put the veggies, they all go in the steamer, and I also steam the broccoli. Broccoli should be steamed just for a little while. My beans were already steaming, that's why I put it inside, but broccoli should be done for a little while. And I put in the baby corn. I cover it and I steam it. Now I have to have the flavor of lemongrass in the Thai curry. How do I do it? I've taken some water and I'm boiling the water here with the lemongrass leaves. So I just break them like this. Nice, very nice aroma, fresh. I put them in and let it boil for a while. So it's boiling for a while. That's the lemongrass water, which I'm going to use as the base for the Thai curry. Very nice. That'll give all the flavor and the aroma to the Thai curry. That's a lemongrass. I just boiled the fresh lemongrass in water for a couple of minutes. Since it's a Thai green curry, we have to have a green paste. Now how do we make the paste? I'm going to put some green chilies here. Just break them with hand. Just break them, simple green chilies. And now we have some basil leaves which we plucked. Put some green coriander, good handful of green coriander. Here we have fresh mint, so I put in fresh mint here. And now we will start grinding it. I'll put everything here, and now we actually in India traditionally we used to use the basic method of stone grinding. So we have a flat stone here which is puckered a bit with a sharp thing, and then we have a small stone which goes with a very rhythmic movements on the other stone, and it actually grinds. See, you can see the grinding movement, and it grinds the leaves. Okay, I have my green paste here, coriander, mint, green chilies, basil. I have some steamed vegetables here. I have the tofu here. I have the tofu chopped here. This is the coconut milk we have. And I have ginger, juliennes, sliced ginger here. And here I have some sliced capsicum and some lemon juice which I am going to use. Okay, we start with this. I heat up my pan. It's nicely heated. I am not going to put any oil in this. It's a nice hot pan. I'll just throw in my capsicums here. I put in the capsicums, and there is no oil, you must notice that. Okay, the ginger juliennes also go in. All the ginger goes inside the pan. Here goes my ginger, and I will just saute it for a couple of minutes. Nicely saute it, let the color change. You don't need oil in cooking actually. I can already get the aroma. Very nice. Ginger and capsicum. I can see it already changing its color. Now I'll add the green paste to it. I'll add the green paste. And that's going to give a lovely Thai curry aroma to my here. Just mix it well. That's it. You got to just mix it well. Ah, that's a lovely flavor I'm getting there. Okay. Okay, now we add the coconut milk to the pan. Here goes my coconut milk. Yeah. And a bit of lemongrass water to give a lovely flavor to this. Here goes in. I add all the lemongrass water to it and I let it cook, let it simmer for a while nicely. Don't add salt, otherwise you will see the milk curdling. So the salt will go in the end when you are about to take it off from the fire. So let it boil now. Okay, let's add the tofu. Here, now I have my tofu here. All the tofu goes in. Tofu has no flavor of its own. So now the tofu is going to absorb all the flavor of the lemongrass and coconut milk. So I'll just cover it and let it be. Leave it for a while. I can hear the boiling, the gurgling sound. So let me open the lid and see. Yeah, I can see it's boiling very nicely. Okay, yeah, it's done. I can smell that. Okay, now I need to add my veggies to it. These are all steamed veggies which go inside the Thai curry. Here goes my beans, my broccoli, the baby corn, everything goes in, and we have a nice tofu veggie Thai curry ready. Here. Now is the time to give it flavor and the seasoning to it. Here now we have lemons which are cut in half and I am going to add it to the Thai curry. Here goes the lemon. Squeeze the lemon well inside, and now you can add the salt just before serving. When you are about to take it on the table, add salt to it. And that's it. Your Thai curry ready.